Okay, today's activity, the purpose was to showcase an iconic vehicle, the Mahindra. We all met overlooking the fabulous nature that the glasshouse has got to offer. And we had our pre-drive brief. We spoke about tyre pressures, steering technique, how to get the car to do more work and the driver to enjoy the experience more. Yep, we get you stuck. And the whole idea of getting you stuck is to teach you A, how not to get stuck, but B, how to recover when things don't quite go to plan.
So coming into the Glasshouse Mountains, I had no idea of the trails and what is available for four-wheel driving in here. It was fantastic, absolutely loved it.
Then we hit the iconic Hennessy track. We walked it, then everyone got one-to-one tuition as we took them down. We also got to look at the suspension articulation and we got to feel the full technology that's in every Mahindra vehicle.
Definitely recommend doing the training and coming in and having a go on all the trails. Yeah, don't be afraid and do the training so that you know how to get through these hard spots. And they're not that hard. They're not that scary. Like I was petrified, but now I know. Yeah.
Join us and Mahindra on the next Mahindra Rise adventure by contacting a Mahindra dealer on www.mahindra.com.au.